Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about articles. Articles are small words that come before nouns. They help us understand if we are talking about something specific or general. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your English grammar, this video is for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Let's get started. What is an article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. There are two types of articles in English, definite and indefinite. Types of articles. Let's look at the two types of articles, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, the. We use the when we are talking about something specific. For example, the dog means a specific dog that we both know about. Here are some sentences with the definite article. The book on the table is mine. Can you pass me the salt? I love the movie we watched last night. Indefinite articles. The indefinite articles are e and an. We use e and an when we are talking about something in general, not specific. E is used before words that start with a consonant sound, and an is used before words that start with a vowel sound. Here are some examples. I saw a cat in the garden. She wants to buy a car. I ate an apple for lunch. He is an artist. Usage of articles with nouns. We use articles with singular nouns. For example, a dog or the dog. An egg or the egg. We do not use articles with plural nouns when talking in general. Dogs are friendly, general statement. Eggs are healthy, again, general statement. But we use the with plural nouns when talking about something specific. For example, the dogs in the park are playful. The eggs in the fridge are fresh. Special cases for article usage. There are some special cases to remember when using articles. For example, we don't use an article before most proper nouns, names of people, cities, countries. For example, John is my friend. Paris is a beautiful city. We use the with names of rivers, seas, and oceans. The Nile, the Mediterranean Sea. We use the with superlative adjectives. She is the best singer. Also, the meaning changes depending on the article. I need a glass of water means any glass of water. I need the glass of water on the table. We're referring to a specific glass of water. To sum up, articles are important in English. They help us know if we are talking about something specific or general. Remember, the is the definite article for specific things, and e and an are indefinite articles for general things. Also pay attention to special cases when using articles, and please keep practicing and you'll get better every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, here's a quick question for you. Can you write a sentence using a definite article and another using an indefinite article? Please drop your sentences in the comments down below. I will check them up and provide you with feedback. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time.